This is just a real quick update on my fast. Day 6. I feel good still. I haven't eaten since last Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Wait a minute. That would make this day 7, wouldn't it? I don't know. Maybe that's one of the effects of fasting. You lose complete track of time. Before I went on my fast, before Lent happened, my car was kind of in an accident. Not really, because it wasn't damaged at all, but my son drove my car, and he pulled over because I called him on the phone, and he knows not to talk on the phone while he's driving. So he pulled over, being very responsible. I talked to him, and then when he tried to pull out, he backed into a ditch, which is actually on the side of a hill, kind of like a cliff on this mountain road, and it was not good. The tow truck driver did get it out by some miracle, and I was praying that he got it out, and so was my father-in-law. He did get it out, and here's just a little clip of what it looked like. It's not very good quality because it's from my cell phone, but you'll get the idea.